Ever wanted a quick recap without the fluff? You're in the right place for that cinematic cheat sheet. Navigating the site is a breeze. Just head to the homepage, and you're ready to dive into the movie world. Type your favorite movie or show. It's like a magic portal to essential insights. Boom! Instant recaps at your fingertips. Look at all those titles waiting for you. Click on a title, and voila! Here's your quick recap served hot and fresh. Expect highlights, character arcs, and key events, all packed into snappy outlines you'll love. Whether you fancy action flicks or heartfelt dramas, we've got something for everyone. And let's be real, who doesn't love some humor with their recaps? You'll be laughing out loud. Found a recap you love? Share it with your friends. Spread the movie magic. With just a click, your friends will be in the know too. Let the binge watching begin. Your opinion matters. Drop a comment and rate the recaps. Let's make this community thrive. Join a community of movie lovers. Connect, share opinions, and get your recap fix. Got questions? Our FAQ section has your back. Navigating the site can be that easy. Once you start recapping, you won't want to stop. Trust me, it's as addictive as your favorite series. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the recapping fun. Your next binge awaits. Access anywhere, anytime. Mobile? Tablet? Desktop? We've got you covered, buddy.